Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 3rd. We continue with the reflections from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening. Today's essay is titled Life on the Edge. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Saint Francis. You are that which you are seeking. You are that which you are seeking. When I feel lonely, my first thought is that you hold the key to my loneliness. When I feel confused, my first thought is that you, or someone neither of us knows, is more clear if I can only find them and get them to speak. When wanting respect, my first thought is that it is waiting on the other side of some mammoth achievement I must devote myself to. I try so hard to find what I need or want outside of myself, certain it is waiting for me somewhere just over there. In the end, seeking only brings us to the edge of knowing ourselves. If we never look inward, we tend to become experts at life on the edge, while seldom unlocking what all our seeking really means. We can become masters at climbing the mountains of the world instead of breaking trail to the center of our woundedness. We can become masters at driving fast cars through the night instead of moving through the dark corners of our mind. We can become masters at seducing strangers in the name of love instead of embracing the softer, less perfect aspect of who we are. Seeking in the world has always been a way to mirror to us where we need to work inwardly, but seeking danger outside has always been a way to divert the soul's cry for us to take a genuine risk inside. Wow, that's deep. So take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. It is already good enough, just the way it is. And see if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness and freedom. If it helps you enter a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without any struggle. And now take a moment to reflect on something that you are seeking. It may be love, power, wealth, or the thrill of jumping out of a plane, or the recognition of being famous. What is it for you? What are you seeking now? Can you imagine that what you seek already lives within you? And as you breathe, hold what you seek before your mind's eye, like a door you must enter, if you are ever to be whole. Inhale deeply and feel what you seek as a part of your spirit that needs attention. Exhale deeply, and though you may not know yet how, set an intention to give yourself this attention. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you let go of your practice gently, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What are you seeking? Can you feel that what you seek as already being a part of your spirit that simply needs your attention? And even more importantly, can you give this attention to your spirit? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.